진짜 학살하네.
Signals from the past, signals from the past, traveling fast through time and dimension. Signals from the past, signals made to last long enough to draw your attention. They wake you up in the middle of an ordinary day. Did you ever stop